Okay, so the first site we're going to look at is Facebook, and why Facebook has so much potential. Almost 60% of Americans already have a Facebook account, and Facebook is one of the fastest and easiest ways to build a fan base of people who know, like, and trust you. You have the ability to create fan pages with unlimited number of fans. It's also very viral and allows you to do mass updates. Just write one status update or wall post and post one video, and all your friends will know about it. It's also very personal and allows people to get to know you and what you've got to offer on a more personal level, which often really helps with conversion rates. Okay, so let's look at your profile and your fan page setup. First, you want to write a detailed description of who you are, what you've got to offer, and how it can help people. Make sure you're very personal about it, you come across as being trustworthy, be very interesting, and you want to be likable. That's a big one. Also, put up lots of personal pics and videos mixed in with your business related stuff. And always be real and transparent, be very honest. Getting friends and fans. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is join related Facebook groups. Groups that are in your niche, groups that are to do with your interests and hobbies, groups of products or companies and organizations that you like and you want to support. Get involved in the group's discussion and leave lots of comments. And try to add active users in your niche that already have a lot of friends, because oftentimes if you add someone as your friend, all their friends will see that you guys are now friends, and people might be interested and click through to find out who you are, etc. So the most important thing is to get involved. So a great way to do that is following your newsfeed, checking up on other people, looking at their status updates, what they've posted, pictures, videos, what are their problems, what are they interested in, what are they looking for. Try to comment on their statuses, be interesting and opinionated, and try to also be controversial. That's a good one, because oftentimes if you're not really opinionated or you're a bit boring, people aren't going to want to get to know you. People, you get lost in the crowd. So don't ever try to be just neutral. Try to be very opinionated, controversial, but at the same time try to stay out of things like politics or religion, etc. They don't usually go down too well. So commenting and wall posting is a great way to stay involved. Add lots of photos and videos, your own personal photos and videos, and tag anyone you can, because if you tag someone, often that photo or that video will appear on their wall. So they don't even have to be in the photo or video, it just could be something related to them in the video or photo. You can just tag them anyway, and that's going to appear on their wall, or their friends are going to see it, and oftentimes if they click on it, they'll end up at your profile, your fan page. Status updates, let everyone know what you're up to, what you're working on, etc. Make it interesting. Don't let everyone know every little detail of your life. It can be boring, so try not to do that. Links to interesting things you found, and all these things ultimately attracts more people. So that's the aim. And try to do about 3 to 5 of these things daily, like commenting, wall posts, adding photos of videos, adding links, etc. Okay, so building your fan base. Start off with your personal profile and then build at least 900 to 1,000 friends first before starting your fan page. And then next create the fan page is pretty easy to do. And then suggest your fan page to your friends. You have the ability to suggest things to other people, so suggest your fan page to everyone who's already your friend on your personal profile. And then send your friends like a bulk message saying, asking them if they can suggest your fan page to their friends. That's another great way to get more exposure. Alright, building your brand on Facebook. Use Facebook ads to advertise your fan page, as well as your own products or affiliate products. Usually that's what people use Facebook ads for, but you can also start an ad for your own fan page, which is a great way to gain more exposure. In your Facebook ad, always use pictures that are interesting and attention getting. Also in your fan page profile pic, make sure it's interesting and stands out, because that ultimately leads to more clicks. Interlink your other social media sites and profiles and accounts, etc. with your Facebook account, like your Twitter, your MySpace, your YouTube channel. It's a great way. Build relationships with friends and fans before selling. Don't sell too soon, and like I said, don't hard sell.